First, guys, we're going to fold our paper like a triangle one way and then turn it and fold it the other way. Ms. Darnes will definitely help you if you need help with this. Next, you're going to draw a wavy line across two of your triangles that you folded. Use a white art stick or oil pastel to add some snowflakes. You can add snowflakes different ways, like making dots, making little crisscross lines that look like stars. Whichever way, add the snowflakes above your wavy line. Below your wavy line, I want you to color in white, because this is like the ground where the snow has fallen and making little hills of snow. Next, you are going to cut from the bottom to the middle of the paper. You're going to add a little bit of glue using a glue stick, and then your paper will fold up to make a triangle snowman house, just like this. Your snowman's going to be very happy in his new house.